Hi everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. I have a big box of inventory that I plan to list for sale in my Poshmark closet and eBay store. If you want to see what I got, stick around. I am so glad that you are here today. If you are joining me for the first time, I invite you to subscribe and join me for another video. This mystery box of clothing was sent to me by my friend, the teen reseller, right here on YouTube. I will link all of his information in the description box below. Keagan and I decided to do a box swap just because it would be fun to do, and boy, let me tell you, it came at the perfect time in my life where a little fun is definitely in order. So I did send Keagan a box of inventory that, fingers crossed, he will like to sell in his online stores, and he did the same thing. Keagan lives in Illinois. I live in New Mexico, but let me let you in on a little secret. I did thrift a bunch of stuff for Keagan at the Phoenix bins when I was in Phoenix, Arizona recently. So after you have finished watching this video to see what Keagan sent to me, I encourage you to visit Keagan's channel, watch the video and see what I sent him. If you are not yet subscribed to Keagan, please show him some love, subscribe. You are going to love his videos. Guys, I really enjoy Keagan as a reseller. He has a lot of brand knowledge and insight about current trends that are selling well. He is a young man. He is 16 years old. He just had his birthday. He is a high school student. He is an athlete, and he is a very successful reseller as well. I strongly encourage you to check out Keagan's channel, especially you guys have to let me know how I did if you think that Keagan liked the items that I sent. This is a big, heavy box that he sent me. I am dying to get into this, guys. It has been here for a little while. My life has been just a tad bit crazier than usual, but it is time. The time has come to break into this box. All right, here is the first peek. There is a it says, hopefully you can read my handwriting. This is what the top of the box looks like. Shall I take the paper off? Ooh, we have a real bag, which always is fun. I do have some of those real bags myself, in that I consign with the real, and they do send everything back in dust bags, so they are really nice to send things to customers. Okay, guys, this note really warms my heart. Keagan got some help. He got some help from Lisette at Posh Is My Purpose. So, okay, Keagan, I can't believe that you needed help for me, but anyway, and he also says, hopefully you are not offended by me calling you my reseller grandma. I am not offended at all, Keagan. No one ever in my life has called me grandma, and there is no title I want more. I don't have grandchildren of my own. I do have step grandchildren, which are wonderful, beautiful, delightful. So yeah, Keagan, you can call me grandma. I love that. In fact, that just made my day right there. Box on the floor. Let's start right here with this bag that is on the top. These are these are Uggs. Oh my gosh, I like these. Okay, this is a pair of sparkly, like sequin flats by Ugg. They are shearling lined. They're in really nice condition. What size are you? Are you my size? These are a 7.5, which I'm a size 8, but I may give these a try. I'm pretty certain they would be just a little bit too tight for me, but are these adorable? I love these. You like these, Mama? You do? Yeah. She's shaking her head. Yes, Mama likes them. Okay, next up is a sweater, and this is new with tags. This is new with tags, Anthropology. I believe this is knitted and knotted. That's what the knitted and knotted. Oh my goodness, this retails for $148. I think this is alpaca. I don't know if you guys can see the fuzzies coming off this sweater, but it's open front cardigan with a bit of a peplum hem. This is a size large. This is beautiful. So nice. Let me check and see if it is alpaca. Do I know my fabrics or not? This is mohair. Okay, it's mohair, acrylic, wool, mohair, acrylic, and wool. Okay, mohair. Mohair, alpaca. It's close, right? It's close to the same thing. Next up, I see something in plaid. It's a gingham, and this is Ben Sherman. Ben Sherman tailoring. It's a size 16, but I think it's a 16 neckline, not a woman's size 16. I believe this is a men's shirt. It feels like seersucker. I don't know if you'll be able to tell if I get close. So this is a long sleeve Ben Sherman men's button up top. I know nothing about this, but it does feel pretty fancy, so I'm excited to look that one up. Next up, we have a floral. This looks like jammies. I might be wrong. ModCloth, and this is a size 1X. Is this jammies, guys? Anytime I see this piping around the tops like this, I think of pajamas, but I could be wrong. I will Google Lens this and see. This is really, really cute. This is ModCloth, and it is a size 1X. This is one of my favorite brands to sell. There's so much in this box. This is also ModCloth. Okay. Oh, this is kind of the same. This is like the same exact style. Same exact size. ModCloth, can you see it? Size 1X. I don't know. Does anyone have any familiarity with this top? It does have a tab sleeve on it, and this is a purple in color with all of those beautiful flowers on it. Okay, this one doesn't seem so much pajamas to me. I don't know, but it still has that piping. This is really pretty. Okay, it looks like some pants are coming up. Look how pretty the print is on this pants. Oh, those are butterflies. Oh, that is so fun. I love the colors, the green and the navy together. I think that is so fun. So they remind me of pixie pants. I just call this style pixie pants. They look like this, and the brand is Anthropologie. Anthropologie, these are a size 4 Anthropologie. Really cute. And these are actually perfect for summer. I think this would style really nicely with just a solid navy blue t-shirt. That's the way I see it styled. Next up is a pair of denim, and these are Judy Blue, my favorite. This is my personal favorite brand of denim to wear, guys. These are Judy Blue, size 9. These are the relaxed fit. I have this exact style of denim listed right now in a size 7. These are a size 9 or a 29. I don't know what a 7 is, probably a size 28. So I'm going to just make a multiple listing. This is going to be a super easy listing. These are great, and I love selling Judy Blue, but even more than that, I love wearing them. Another pair of denim, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Keagan, correct me if I'm wrong, he loves to list and sell denim and pants, so it doesn't surprise me that he hooked me up. These are some Levi's, and let's see what kind of Levi's these are. These are the 550 relaxed fit tapered leg in a size 3. This is a black wash. So they have the tapered leg. Do they have a, pretty high waist on them. These look like a classic mom jean. This tag is like a paper tag. It's not the cloth, silky cloth tags that are on the more recent Levi's. So I believe these might be a vintage pair of 550s. So that's exciting. I'll have to do some research, guys. I do not know my Levi's, but I suspect those might be extra special. Next up is some white denim. These are soft surroundings. I can see it right there on that leather patch that says soft surroundings. I think I saw these. Did I see these, Keagan, in one of your hauls? Look at the trim on these. And these are kind of a wide leg, cream colored crop pant. I think I saw when Keagan sourced these and I loved them. What size are they? These are a size 4, soft surroundings, size 4, really cute, current style, the wide leg crop with that very fun, neutral embroidery floral, and then again there's that little like lace or mesh detail. That's so fun. Okay, it looks like another top here. No, it's pants, and these are Anthropologie Saturday Sunday. I'll show you the tag first. These are a size small, just a pair of lounge, comfy, super soft, very, very soft pants. Do you like these, Mama? Do you like these ones? These might not get listed. This might be a pair of pants that my mother ends up enjoying. I see some corduroy, guys. Let's see, what do we have in corduroy? This is a plus size corduroy skirt by the brand Poetry. There is the brand tag, Poetry. I have never sold this before, and I do not see a size on this. This is a slate blue in color, that double button or snap on it. It does have pockets in the back, and this would be below the knee, probably mid-calf skirt. Very nice, in great condition. I've been wrong before. I think this is a top. Yes, this is Free People, size small. I think it's a top, guys. You never know with Free People. Is this a tunic top? Is it a dress? I don't know, but this is so stinking cute. I love this trim. To me, that looks a little Southwestern. This is a really lightweight top, tank top, size small, but this is definitely oversized. I really like this. Let me see. I knew something was up. Okay, so we do have a little tassel detail right at the center neckline. So check it out like this with the tassel detail. Absolutely adorable. So we're getting close to the end. Next up, Spanx. Are you kidding me? These are Spanx size medium. This is a pair of black dress pants. Wow, these feel so nice. I have never sold nor even touched Spanx pants like this. I have sold Spanx denim and Spanx leggings, but these are really, really nice, and these are in marvelous condition. They look like they are a high-rise too. Very nice, and Spanx is a brand that consistently does pretty well for me, so I'm excited to try these out. Next up is a sweater. This is Eileen Fisher. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, this is pretty. This is my sister's favorite color too. This is a deep burgundy, and this one feels amazing. I have to look at the fabric content because Eileen Fisher always uses great fabrics. This one is rayon, which kind of surprises me. It's rayon size large. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Just trust me on that. So this is kind of just a classic piece. It's such a rich jewel color, and it's in really, really nice condition. I like this piece. I might even have to try it on. Maybe I'll wear it once before I list it in the fall. Next up, we have some activewear. That's another thing that Keagan knows much, much better than me is activewear. And this one, I don't know what this is, Corral. I like it because their little logo is a K, and who doesn't love a K like that? This is Corral, and these are a size large, and these are kind of a rusty orange, like burnt sienna color legging. I don't have any idea about this brand, but I do love this color. And this is it, the final piece, guys, which is also activewear. This is cute. I love this little pop of color in the front of this one. So this is a full-length legging. Oh my gosh. This is fun because I do know this brand, not well, guys. I don't sell a lot of Lululemon, but I like selling it. I just don't come across it. I just don't source a lot of activewear. This one is a size 6 and it has that little crossover pop of color. That's so fun. These are really nice. This is so much fun, Keagan. I sure enjoyed this mystery box that Keagan put together for me and with the help of Lisette. Thank you, Lisette. Thank you for helping him out. I love this box. I am probably going to, I don't know if I'll keep a piece, but I'm definitely going to try a few pieces, and I think my mother is going to love those lounge pants. So thank you very much, Keagan, for collaborating with me. And why don't you and I just head over to Keagan's channel right now. Okay, I can't wait to see what he thought about the items I sent him. Fingers crossed he will be able to sell some of those items. Thank you once again for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to subscribe. I will have another video coming out very soon. Until we meet again, blessings.